friends, it is Wednesday, my favourite day of the week because it's Science Experiment Day. But before we start, just remember, this is the last week of freely available Circle Time with Miss Alexa. I am still going to do this. I have developed my own homeschool program. So if you want some more details, email me. My email is in the description, or go on the Facebook group and you can message me through there. But if you sign up before this Thursday, August 13th, by midnight EST, August 13th, you can get more than 50% off. Awesome, I know. Ready? The sun is coming up. The sun is coming up. We thank the earth for spinning round and being here for us. The sun is coming up. The sun is coming up. We thank the earth for spinning round and being here for us. The sun is coming up. The sun is coming up. We thank the earth for spinning round and being here for us. When I sit, circle, my bottom is on the floor. My legs are crisscross applesauce. My eyes are looking, my ears are listening, my mouth is closed, and my hands are in my lap. Tommy thumb is up and Tommy thumb is down. Tommy thumb is dancing all around the town. Dance him on your shoulders, dance him on your head, dance him on your knees and tuck him into bed. Good morning to you, good morning to you. We're all in our spaces with bright shiny faces, and I say to you, good morning to you. Good morning, Miss Alexa. Good morning. Good morning, everyone. I'm glad you're here today. Hooray! Buenos dias, buenos dias. ¿Cómo estás? ¿Cómo estás? Muy bien, gracias. Muy bien, gracias. ¿Y usted? ¿Y usted? Right. Buenos días. ¿Cómo estás? Muy bien, gracias. ¿Y usted? But what day is it today? Science Experiment Day. Yesterday was Tuesday. Tomorrow will be Thursday, which means today is Wednesday. Today is Wednesday. But what is the date? Will you help me count? Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Today is Wednesday, August 12th. Hoy es el miércoles, el 12 de agosto. Days of the week, days of the week, days of the week, days of the week, days of the week. There's Sunday and there's Monday, there's Tuesday and there's Wednesday, there's Thursday and there's Friday, and then there's Saturday. Days of the week, days of the week, days of the week, days of the week, days of the week. Los días de la semana son siete, son siete. Los días de la semana son siete, son siete. Lunes, martes, miércoles, jueves, viernes, sábado, domingo son siete, son siete. Lunes, martes, miércoles, jueves, viernes, sábado, domingo. Sunny, 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 sunny. Is it sunny in the sky? S-U-N-N-Y is sunny. Is it sunny in the sky? Cloudy, 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 cloudy. Is it cloudy in the sky? C-L-O-U-D-Y, cloudy. Is it cloudy in the sky? Rainy, 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 rainy. Is it rainy in the sky? R-A-I-N-Y is rainy. Is it rainy in the sky? Windy, 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 windy. Is it windy in the sky? W-I-N-D-Y, windy. Is it windy in the sky? Snowy, 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 snowy. Is it snowy in the sky? S-N-O-W-Y is snowy. Is it snowy in the sky? What's the weather like with you today? It is very nice here today. It is very warm. It's not too hot. It's very warm, so I'm going to sing about it being warm. You choose a word to sing about your weather and we will meet at the end of the song. Ready? I know a day just like today and warm was the weather. W-A-R-M, 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 and warm was the weather. It is science experiment day today and we are actually making some milk art today. No, it doesn't really have anything to do with South America. It doesn't really have anything to do with our letter sounds of the week, but I thought because this may be our last week together, it doesn't have to be. You can just sign up for the videos if you want. I would do some fun milk art. Are you ready? Let's go take a look. Are you ready to make some milk art? I'm using almond milk, which may be slightly different than using cow's milk, and I'll explain that at the end. I already made up some food colouring, need some food colouring, but because I don't have the really liquidy food colouring that you can drop in, I have the kind of thick one you need to mix with water. I pre-mixed some just in case it didn't work very well. I have some dishwashing liquid, some dish soap, and I have some what I call cotton buds or Q-tips. You can see Elizabeth just entering in the door right there, so we'll let her come in. So let's get going. Cool, huh? Wasn't that so cool? Now, it may work a little bit differently with different types of milk. As I said, I'm not using cow's milk. I was using almond milk, and there's not as much fat in almond milk as in cow's milk. Ooh, well, I haven't even told you what the reason behind the fat is, have I? Well, let's just say it may work better with the cow's milk. The thing is, milk has fat in it. Just like some foods have fat in it. And the food colouring floats on the milk, it floats on top of the fat. Now, fat is all connected with little bonds, so you could just imagine like lots and lots of little pieces of fat holding hands. I'm holding hands with my friend, little piece of fat. Lots and lots of pieces of fat holding hands, they are bonded together. Now, dish soap, the stuff that you wash your dishes up with, washing up liquid like I like to call it, is made to get rid of grease. It's used on grease because it breaks these bonds apart. So what happens when you put the dish soap in with the milk with all the little fat parts? It starts breaking apart all the little friends of fat holding hands. Oh, where did my friend go? He went away! Because the dish soap breaks them all up and spreads all those beautiful colours around. I can't wait to see what you come up with. Let's finish off today with a Spanish song about colour. Let's kind of Spanish and English at the same time. We've done it before, and if you remember it, join in, and if you haven't, let's just get going with it. And it goes like this. Red is rojo, yellow is amarillo, blue is azul, blue is azul, orange is naranja, green is verde, purple is morado, and pink es rosa. Brown is café, black is negro, white is blanco, white is blanco, grey is green. pranayama, our breathing exercise today, to breaking bonds. So we're going to breathe in and make our bond, then we're going to breathe out to breaking it. Would you like to try? Ready? Breathe in. Shoulders up and down your back pockets. Join me tomorrow, my friends, for something that may not be to do with our letter sounds and may not necessarily be completely to do with South America or gardening, but it will be fun anyway. And remember, shoot me a message if you're interested in that homeschool program. Even if you just really enjoy the videos, I have 3 different packages: basic, core, and premier. With the basic package, you can sign up just to receive the videos. And like I said, there's more than 50% off if you sign up before midnight EST on Thursday, August 13th.